Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's July of 2024 and I thought I'd make a quick video on Alibaba, the stock, and what's happening with the company. Anyways, my guess is you are a follower of Alibaba and its stock, and you know that not much is up with the stock, and it's so far it's been 6-7 months and not much has happened. We had some brief uptick in the stock, but then all those gains were lost. Not all the gains were lost, but a big portion of it were lost. More importantly, we did not really break any sort of resistance in terms of technical charts. Overall, not much is happening with Alibaba, and it's just wait and watch. And more and more reports that are coming out of China telling us that the economy is in slow growth phase, and it's going to take some time for it to turn around. And of course, we know that the government in China, they're not too keen on pumping their economy with stimulus right now. It's just wait and watch. And the stock, at least I guess, and we talked about this before, at least it's not dropping like it was before. It appears to have settled in 70s. That's okay, but I really would have preferred the stock to go higher, especially considering that so many US stocks, especially tech stocks, are making all-time highs despite of whatever is happening around the world. Yes, unfortunately for us backholders, Alibaba is nothing is happening, and the company itself is in process of changing the direction. As they say, they got a new CEO, and he's going to bring his own vision, and he's going to execute on the vision, and that takes years, honestly. Anyways, I won't get into the details. I don't want to bore anyone, but the one thing I did want to talk about is the expectation or anticipation of President Donald Trump coming back to the White House early next year. So we know that his popularity is high, much higher than his current opponent, President Joe Biden. There's a lot of talk that he's going to step down, and chances are he will step down, considering how unpopular he is and how people within his party don't have much confidence in him winning the election. So chances are he's gonna drop out, and Vice President Kamala Harris will take over. Kamala Harris, I should say, President Kamala Harris. Anyways, so I think if Donald Trump becomes the president again, he's kind of hard to predict, but we know that he is all about putting America first. So I think we could see tensions between US and China rise again. But at the same time, I know that he doesn't want to escalate things militarily. So on the Taiwan issue, things might cool off, and that's a pretty big plus. Because okay, like when it comes to tariffs and economic wars, they're not good. They generate a lot of uncertainty, but at least it's not a war. So I feel like on that front, that it could be a good news. But otherwise, it's wait and see. Overall, as Alibaba stockholder, I just don't see how President Trump winning the election will ease the pressures on Alibaba stock. If anything, it will add more. I've said this before. One of the ways that the stock can start to go higher is if Chinese consumers, if they start coming back to the markets, from like before COVID, because from what I know, the numbers are still below COVID. So we need the Chinese economy to turn around, and of course we need Alibaba, the company itself, to be a leader again in e-commerce. And yes, the tension between US and China, we like to that cool off, but we can't count on that. The only way I see Alibaba stock going up is if Alibaba, the company, Chinese economy starts picking up. That's how I see it. Anyways, I thought I'd make a quick video. Until next time, goodbye.